behind. Damn. Jacob is strong. I can feel it slowing down the truck. Is it red? No? Okay. I hate the fact that under 50 km/h it just removed the goddamn jake brake, like the jake brake auto disengage. Well, it's not auto disengage, it's just like if I'm above 50 km/h it's gonna activate the Jacob. Even though I activate at 50 and I'm at 20, it will still work until I put the gas back on. It won't kick back on, which is dumb. Because the goddamn company put it on goddamn economy mode. Even in certain RPM or certain gear, I cannot go above 1500 RPM, which is kind of annoying in like uphill stuff. Oh well. See, like right now it's activating. It's doing the Jacob, but just like on the lowest settings. And sometimes it just does not even kicks on. Look, if I go 50 miles per hour, km/h, and then let off, there we go. The full Jacob activate. Love hearing this engine working. It's so smooth. there's the parking for that store, so I guess I have to go there. Alright. It's gonna be easy. Always look which door, because some store block one door with like a cone or something. Some others have like one door for each type of like groceries. So I'm like groceries and not like reefer or dairy, whatever it's called, or frozen. When it's two doors like that, I prefer using the like further from the store, because like that I don't have to walk inside the store to deliver. I'm sure people gonna look at me and say like, what the fuck, you look weird with that camera on your forehead. But oh well, it make content and I put it on YouTube, show it to my friends and to the world, and people actually enjoy that. Apparently they love my content and they want more content. So there you go. And let's not destroy the trailer. There you go. That's fully on the wall. And now we're at the store. So now I don't see shit with my glasses, because my glasses has like a filter where it block all the screen. I could probably show you. So right now you could see the screen, right, of the tablet. If I put my glasses on, you see fuck all. Where is the thing? There you go. You see fuck all. See? See? You see nothing. So that's the glasses. It got like every reflection on the thing. So I'm gonna hide the thing. So I have 8 plus 2, 10 pallets. There you go. Alright, see you later. Bye, love you.